DJI is about to completely break the laws of physics. We just received a massive wave of highly verified supply chain leaks straight out of Shenzhen, and the entire drone industry is officially in panic mode right now. If these new specifications actually hold up, the anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just an incremental update. It is officially a ruthless Mavic killer. The wait has been incredibly long, but these leaks prove DJI has finally listened to the creator community. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate 2026 flagship that has every professional creator questioning why they even own a massive, heavy drone anymore. We are talking about a revolutionary 1-inch Titan sensor, the insane debut of Nightscape LiDAR, and a blistering 6K video resolution previously thought physically impossible for a sub-250-gram drone. Stick around, because I am going to reveal the leaked US release window and a massive battery plus breakthrough for this drone. This new battery gives this tiny beast nearly an hour of continuous flight time. You absolutely do not want to buy a drone in 2026 until you see what the Mini 6 Pro is packing. Let's immediately dive into the massive headline feature sending shockwaves through the filmmaking industry: the camera sensor. For years, the lightweight Mini series lived deep in the shadow of the Mavic's legendary 1-inch sensor. But the latest 2026 leaks confirm DJI has miniaturized their flagship Titan tech. They are officially cramming a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor into a sub-250-gram body. We are looking at a stunning 50-megapixel sensor boasting 14 stops of dynamic range. But here is the massive kicker that changes everything. It is rumored to include a true mechanical variable aperture ranging from f1.8 to f11. If you are a professional shooter, you know exactly how huge this is. You completely eliminate the frustrating need to land the drone and swap out all those ND filters. This brilliant variable aperture brings professional cinema-level exposure control to a drone that fits inside your jacket pocket. This advancement means the Mini 6 Pro can effortlessly maintain incredible detail in bright highlights and deep shadows simultaneously. It gives you that creamy, professional bokeh previously only achievable on massive commercial rigs triple its size and weight. But why did DJI push for a massive 6K resolution? Because it is built for the modern creator economy. By shooting in stunning 6K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second, you gain the ultimate flexibility for aggressive social media cropping. You can pull a flawless 9x16 vertical shot directly out of a horizontal landscape frame without losing a single pixel of 4K quality. And for the hardcore slow-motion enthusiasts, leaks suggest a mind-blowing 4K resolution at 120 frames per second with zero sensor crop. That is literally better video performance than a mirrorless camera. This insanely high bitrate processing ensures every frame is packed with enough raw data to comfortably withstand heavy color grading in post-production. It makes the Mini 6 Pro the perfect B-cam for high-end commercial productions, or the primary tool for cinematic travel vloggers who refuse to compromise. Now, let's talk about the groundbreaking hardware feature that will literally save your expensive drone. From a watery grave, the brand new, highly anticipated Nightscape LiDAR system. Until now, the entire Mini series heavily relied on standard vision-based obstacle avoidance sensors, which are essentially useless in low-light environments. The Mini 6 Pro changes the entire drone game by physically integrating an advanced, forward-facing LiDAR sensor directly into the tiny chassis. This revolutionary LiDAR array isn't just for basic obstacle avoidance. It is perfectly engineered for high-end 3D mapping and unparalleled safety in complex, dangerous flight environments. Imagine confidently flying through a dense pine forest or a tight urban environment in New York at night. The drone literally sees every power wire, thin tree branch, and sharp concrete edge in total pitch-black darkness. This hardware directly powers the new ActiveTrack 7.0 system. It uses advanced AI to precisely predict your movement and navigate complex environments with a level of military-grade flight autonomy we have simply never seen on a consumer-level camera drone before today. The drone isn't just blindly reacting to what it sees. It literally understands the complete 3D geometry of the world around it in real time. It creates a massive, virtual safety bubble that is completely impenetrable. But world-class safety is absolutely useless if you lose your video signal mid-flight. That is exactly why DJI is officially introducing the brand new O5 transmission system, utilizing a highly advanced, high-density antenna array hidden inside the rigid carbon fiber arms. The Mini 6 Pro is aggressively targeting a staggering 20-kilometer maximum range in FCC-compliant regions like the United States and Canada. But the real professional benefit isn't the maximum distance, it is the absolute signal penetration. The O5 system is specifically engineered to aggressively maintain a rock-solid 108 OP live feed, even in heavy, high-interference urban areas where older lightweight models used to constantly stutter, lag, and drop the wireless connection entirely. Whether you are aggressively circling a massive skyscraper in Toronto, or flying deep in a remote mountain range, the connection remains completely unbreakable. Design-wise, DJI is strictly maintaining that crucial sub-240 9-gram legal weight limit, but they are doing it with ultra-premium materials. We are hearing highly verified reports of a brand new magnesium alloy internal frame and rigid carbon fiber motor arms. This makes the Mini 6 Pro significantly more durable and wind-resistant. It is capable of effortlessly handling level 6 gale force winds, which is massive for a drone this tiny. They have also completely redesigned the front camera gimbal to allow for an insane 225-degree vertical rotation. This finally enables you to aim the camera straight up into the sky for creative bridge inspections and incredibly unique, sweeping cinematic reveals. Let's address the massive elephant in the room: battery life. This has always been the Achilles heel of small camera drones. However, the Mini 6 Pro officially introduces a brand new, high-density silicon carbon battery chemistry. The standard, lightweight intelligent flight battery will easily give you 40 minutes of continuous airtime, while staying under the weight limit. But DJI is also releasing the massive Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which we highly expect to be an absolute bestseller. This heavier battery violently pushes that flight limit to a record-breaking 58 minutes of continuous drone airtime. For professional video editors watching right now, the internal color science is getting a massive upgrade. The Mini 6 Pro will officially support 10-bit D-Log M and HLG color profiles. You get the exact same professional, Hasselblad-level color science found in the flagship Mavic 3 Pro. Plus, DJI is completely solving the storage problem. The Mini 6 Pro comes with 47 gigabytes of fast internal NVMe storage. You literally don't even need an SD card for quick run-and-gun shoots anymore. Our most reliable supply chain sources point directly toward a massive global release window in late 2026. You can expect it to officially hit retail shelves early this October. The rumored price for the standard base combo is starting at a highly competitive $899. In the United States, you are essentially getting a cinema-grade Mavic 3 Pro crammed into a tiny body that does not require an annoying pilot license. Subscribe to TechPulse right now. Are you upgrading to the DJI Mini 6 Pro?